Alright, so today I'll show you how to activate the anti-hijacking feature on this Ford Mondeo from 2002. It will apply for all the Ford Mondeo Mark III, which is from 2001 I think to 2007, and it should apply to other Fords as well from the same era. Sit back and relax and enjoy this little small tutorial. Okay, so I'll start by showing you the ignition ring and the different symbols here and what they mean. Okay, so here is the ignition ring. The 0 indicates off, 1 is accessory like radio, and 2 is ignition on, 3 is starting the engine. So start with the car turned off. Fasten your seatbelt in case you have seatbelt warning, so you don't mistake that chime for the chime that will notify you that the activation has been complete. Okay, so what you will do is that you put your key in and turn the ignition to on, which is marked with a 2 on the ignition ring here. And then you will lock and unlock the car 3 times. Then turn the ignition off and do the same again. And now you turn the ignition on. You hear the chime, which means it's activated. And then to actually activate the hijacking feature, you turn it, lock the door and unlock it again, and there was the second chime, which now indicates that the car has activated its anti-hijacking feature. So let me demonstrate. You'll see the lock activating while I drive away. There we go. That is how you activate the anti-hijacking feature on a Ford. And if you want to disable it, you just do the same thing again. And it will be disabled.